Camera just started itself. Okay then.
It did?
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be reviewing face masks. And by we, I mean me and you.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. You shaved for this.
I did. Sacrifice.
Gotta get the full mask, full contact.
Exactly.
Now I always do something silly with my hair for these videos, so let's get started on that. Once a year we try doing a fun face mask review. I don't really do face masks often, but they are fun and this is a good excuse to do it. And I actually forgot about it this year, I don't know about you.
Didn't we do that snail face mask thing from Clicks?
At the beginning of this year, yeah. But I wasn't planning on actually like buying a face mask for today.
Oh yeah, we got this as a gift.
Yeah. That's the fourth plane. We've been filming for 6 minutes and that's the fourth plane. We really weren't planning on buying any face masks, but then my sister gave us these two at our engagement party. We told everyone not to bring gifts. I'd rather get gifts at the wedding than at the engagement party, but my sister brought us these and cute little beauty blenders. So I guess this was more a gift for me than it was actually like an engagement party gift, but I'm happy. We have face masks. These are from DISUNIE Health Cosmetics and they are both serum facial masks. The one has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, but this is the one I'm going to give you to do.
Okay.
Because I have a serum with hyaluronic acid in it that I use already. So I want to mix it up for myself and use this one instead, which has nicotinamide, arbutin and vitamin C. So this mask says it has an anti-aging water glow, even though I don't really care about the anti-aging. I'm still in the pinnacle of youth. But it has deep hydration, which is good for me. I'm very dry skin. It has anti-wrinkle whitening.
Anti-wrinkle whitening.
It has anti-wrinkle whitening, repair, and anti-freckle, question mark. I washed my face in the shower this morning, but I didn't want to put on cream or serum or anything before doing this. So I'm kind of just like being dry and barefaced in the world right now. Now the back of this thing says this product is enriched with whitening.
Does that mean it's gonna like bleach us?
And moisturizing ingredients and has a refreshing and oil-free feeling to deeply hydrate, effectively promote the regeneration of collagen in skin, repairs sunburn, it minimizes pores, it lightens spots, it removes acne and wrinkles, brightens and restores a hydrated, bright, young and energetic skin. After facial cleansing, which like I said, already did it, washed it with my face wash in the shower and then called it a day, apply the mask to the face, pat face to create a snug fit, and leave the mask on for 15 minutes. Peel off the mask. Use 2 to 3 times a week for better effect. The cool thing is this is vegan and cruelty-free. I usually try and only buy cruelty-free things, but I'm glad my sister checked and got us cruelty-free things. This also says the applicability is to any type of skin except damaged skin, which does that refer to sun damaged as well? Because it specifically says it's good for sunburn. Avoid direct sunlight and accidental ingestion. So no licking.
Oh.
For sensitive skin, do a patch test behind your ears before use. In case of discomfort, discontinue use immediately. Okay, like, I agree if you have a face mask on. Some masks give you like a tingly sensation on purpose, but they would tell you if that's the case. If you get like a tingling and you're not supposed to get it and it starts burning or it's a little bit itchy, take it off. Wash it off. Don't put anything else that's funny on your face. But this is the first time I've heard of a face mask telling you to do a little patch test behind your ear. I guess you're supposed to open this, put a bit on, and just let it lie there to see what it does. But what's interesting about this is there aren't any ingredients on the back of this package or on the front. I have no idea what's on here other than what it says here. Now I'm quickly going to throw these back into the fridge to get them nice and cool. They warmed up pretty quickly after I took them out. And then I'm going to show you how I put it on. No, I was like thinking earlier this morning, like, what are the ingredients that are usually in here? This one does this, right? That one does that. Yeah, I don't need to look anything up. I'm sure I'll be fine. And now there's no ingredients.
No ingredient list, yeah.
Okay, freezer. Okay. Freezer fresh mask. Let's do this. Oh, there we go.
It's a good thing cabbage isn't around.
Sounds like a wet food. I'm going to preemptively just take my ring off because I don't want a bunch of serum in there. So if we open it up, in there is the mask. But I can see now, looking into the package, I can see the text on the inside shining through, and like I can see it well enough that I can read it. So like, let me show you as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see that if we focus. Gotta do the like beauty guru hand thing to get it. You have your mask on, you can't laugh. Like you see that, you can entirely see the text if there's light shining through the back, which is probably why they say to keep this out of direct sunlight, because the packaging doesn't block it out. Let me, oh my gosh, that's slippery. There we go. There seems to be like 2 layers. One is the usual soft mask layer, and the other is more like plasticky, vinyl-y. Where am I supposed to unfold it next?
Maybe that's why there's plastic.
Found it. Oh, splash. This plastic is like so slippery. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. There we have a mask. The mask is now on the side that's facing you. The other side is a porous plastic. I've actually never seen a mask have this, but I think I'm just gonna take it off. It's like very crinkly. Get your gooey ASMR in. Plus the nose flap is on that side already. So I'm turning it that the soft mask side is towards my face and then just putting it on and hoping for the best. Gonna line up my eyes because that's the most important part. And it's pretty cold, damn. It smells so familiar. I think that's on enough. I'm gonna peel the plastic off so I can actually put this thing on. It's just harder than I thought it would be.
I don't know how I did mine so easily.
I can't breathe. So where's the mouth split? Oh, it's all the way down there. Oh my gosh. Okay. That was not the best application. But I'm scared if you take that plastic off first, you're gonna like tear it potentially. And they very specifically said do not ingest. So I'm trying to not get this in my mouth. But you see, this is more the material we're used to. I'm gonna try and smooth it on my face like those people on Instagram do, so you don't even see they're wearing a mask. This smells incredibly familiar. It smells like a cream, but that doesn't really narrow it down. Did you hear about that Sephora cream?
Mm-mm.
The vanilla flavor they used in that cream is a spider pheromone. So people put the cream on, have a good day, and then these like 4 or 5 spiders pitch out of nowhere and like follow them around, and it's very freaky.
That's scary.
That's so funny. Can you imagine? Get my mom that cream. For context, my mom's a very big spider fan. Now that I got it flat for the most part, I'm just rubbing it in, and this feels really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is pretty fun. It's so slippery and smooth. Just gonna press it in around my eyes here. This thing is also very juicy. There's a lot of liquid on my face right now. I can drag it down my neck, put it on my hands. This is also full. So anything it touches now has serum on it. Don't do this on a bed, maybe. Where do people usually do face masks? I exclusively do them in front of the camera.
Bathroom? You can see the difference in our nose sizes, seeing as mine barely goes over the edge of my nose and yours is like fully wrapped.
Now that it's on and smooth, it doesn't really look like I'm wearing a mask. Obviously the edge gives it away, but if you just look like this, it just looks like a little uncanny valley, which you can't really tell why. But I'm gonna go chill for 15 minutes with this mask on and then report back to you. So enjoy some kitty content for a second, and I'll see you now.
You are so small and so cute. I love you so much. Are you enjoying your kitty bed? Oh, I let you go back to sleep, little one. Hi, Gabby. You're such a pretty lady, hiding on this chair. Cutie.
Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and this thing can come off. Right now my face is just feeling cool. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I have a beard now. Cool but not cold that it's like sore. But as the heat comes back as you take it off, that's nice. And just as I take the mask off, I realize I don't have a thumbnail picture. We'll get to that. We'll put it back on, I guess. So I still have some serum on my face that I'm just going to rub in. I had some on my hands before the 15 minutes started, and as it dries, it gets tacky, and then as it dries further, it's just soft. Like my hands feel like a little bit like there's a thick cream on actually, even though it's just a serum. So I'd imagine my face would feel the same. Interestingly enough, the bottom of my face absorbed a lot of the serum, but most of it is still just sitting on... But most of it is still just sitting on my forehead, so there's a lot here that I can spread down my neck. So is my face any brighter looking than earlier? I'll compare so you can see. If there's any difference, it's probably subtle, but I feel like I look a little brighter. My face is tacky now, as you can see how my skin like pulls off my fingers. That's kind of fun. Another part of my skin being like sticky is if I like scrunch my eyes and open them, it like, you can kind of feel it sticking here and then it's like, whoa, wait. But I know it's gonna pull in more and then not be sticky. That's gonna go away. Very similar to when I put like Vaseline on as a foundation in the TikTok's hack video I did. I'm gonna give this a second to pull in though, and then I'm going to put on my normal face cream over it because my face cream has SPF in it and all that type of stuff. And that'll just help lock in the moisture. But then that is it for today. I enjoy doing my face mask. Did you enjoy your face mask?
I did.
Any feedback about yours that's different from mine?
I don't know about yours, but mine stung a little in the beginning. Like it was burning.
If you get like a tingling and you're not supposed to get it and it starts burning or it's a little bit itchy, take it off. No, I did not have that.
Not painful, but like, I don't know if it's just because I have dry skin or I had shaved or...
Using a face mask as aftershave is probably a first. But then, like I said, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you ever do face masks at home and if you get any results from them. But I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making this video, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Bye bye!
Bloody hardy does. Now is when they decide to have an orchestra.
Filming's hard.